Hey, what's up, everybody? It's John with Homebuyer Louisiana. I'm in Baton Rouge in a house that is pretty severely fire damaged. I don't know if you can see, but the roof is burned pretty bad. The walls are burned. It's just spread pretty far throughout, but we do have some contractors that specialize in fire repair, so we're taking a look at it. We've already kind of worked out a price, I think, and I'm just kind of scoping out the project to see what it's going to take to get it done. But yeah, anyway, so no project too big or too small. If you have a house in any condition, including fire damage in South Louisiana, check us out, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the form to get a free cash offer, and we'll reach out and discuss options with you, and hopefully be able to work something out and help you out and get us a new little fun project to work on. So anyway, hopefully talk to you soon. Thanks.